How to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing. Now, we will not be doing a specific troubleshooting steps directly from the game. Now, this actually works all the time, and all you have to do is just to tweak around game settings from the specific folder or on the main folder of the game. To do so, just simply locate the main folder that you have from Rainbow Six Siege. For example, I added mine a file manager and then documents, and then here. Now, if you open that specific folder, you will have a separated folder that has a random long name in it. Simply open it till you get into the game settings.txt. Now, this is just a demonstration, but whenever you open it up, you're going to be seeing different on your end. You're going to be seeing a lot of text from here, but your main goal is just to head into the FPS limit field. So generally, it is already set as 0 on default. Now what you want to do from here is just to verify and check on how much frames per second your monitor or your computer runs. Say for example, it runs around 165. Just simply type in 165, go to File, hit on Save, close the text. Now the next thing you do is to right click on the game settings text, go to Properties, and you just have to tick this box that says read only and click on apply and then OK. And that's it. Those are the troubleshooting steps that you can do for you to be able to fix Rainbow Six Siege crashing.